Hello everybody, my name is Matt and this is Real World Review. Today I will be showing you how to replace a screen on the Google Pixel 2 XL. Surprisingly, all you need for this repair is the part, a blade, playing card of some sort, and heat. Since the part is very fragile, I would recommend taking your time and working on a few phones before breaking into this one. So we start by heating up the edges of the screen to loosen up the adhesive. After about 30 seconds of heat, grab a blade and lift up the screen just enough so you can get a card in. If you're attempting to replace the screen and don't care about the plastic OLED under it, then you don't have to be too careful when you're doing this repair. If you're trying to preserve the OLED panel, make sure you get the card under that panel. Slowly use this card to cut through the adhesive, adding heat when needed. Once the screen is loose, you can lift it up and tilt the screen over to the left. Next, you want to remove the plug covers. I recommend using a plastic spudger to remove these pieces. Once they're gone, you can use the spudger to remove the cables. Regardless of how cracked the screen was, make sure to remove the glass that's left on the frame. Next, we can test the new screen to see if it works. And it does. The waviness you see is from the camera, not the phone. Now we want to make sure to add some new adhesive on the corners because we cleaned up the old adhesive. Make sure to cut it so it's not blocking any sensors or microphones. Also, make sure that the OLED panel won't touch the adhesive because it could cause issues with the screen. Next, we will move over the front camera ring and the top speaker grill. Don't forget the bottom one as well. Now we are ready to install the new screen. Plug in the OLED and digitizer cables and put the covers over them. Now we will set the screen in place and push on all sides to make sure that the adhesive grabs. Once everything looks nice, power it on and make sure it's working. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below or on Twitter at MattofRWR. And feel free to follow me on the social media listed above. Also, make sure you subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Thanks for watching.